In this video, I'm going to show you easily how to hide posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and the first stuff you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Here we can check all our photos that we've shared with our followers, and basically now anyone, if our account is not private, can get access to those photos. And let's say you decided to hide some picture from here. You can easily do so at any time. To do that, we just need to open up that photo. After that, tap right here at 3 dots and then tap at archive. What that will do, that will hide this photo from your Instagram profile page. However, the photo is actually not deleted. It is just moved to the archive, where it will be stored until you change your mind and decide to unarchive it. That's how we can easily hide any picture from our Instagram profile. However, if you would like to check all the photos that you archive, you can easily do so in any time. To do just hit right here at 3 lines and then go to archive. That's where we need to switch it to boss archive. If some another option is selected, and that will show all the boss that we archive for all the time from here. Let's say if you would like to restore some boss, we can just open it up. The top right here at 3 dots and then select show on profile. What that will remove these parts from parts as archive. You can see, it is no longer displayed. However, here, if we go back to our Instagram profile page, we can see that the post is already here. Basically, that's it. Save this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button